Mr. Roger, hit the set. Come on, are you ready? So don't know this music, make sure Mr. Buzzline,君の今日はどこ痛みにひらみなどもっとなんとども好きなことと魂のもと選んだ道進みのどうどうははそんなさ早くなった勇気を自体は変わった溢れる勇気こそその胸元だ You and I, DY 今こそ手筋や趣味などもしもし好きなバイブスだけを探せばいい Outbound, baby もちろん TV でも東京でもみたい BAD 理屈じゃないんだいけるよワンダワンコのメスなんでカメとであんたなんだカウントでビートの終わり This gun is for ready Are you ready? Something you got Listen on the record set Come on, are you ready? Something you got Listen on the record set Come on, are you ready? So don't know what is music when so high Are you ready? Something you got Listen on the record set Come on, are you ready? So don't know what is music when so high Mr. Buzzline 君の今日はどこ痛みにひらみなどもっとなんとどう好きなことと魂のもと選んだ道進みのどうどうははそんなさ早くなった勇気を自体は変わった溢れる勇気こそその源だ You and I, DY 今こそ手筋や趣味などもしもし好きなバイブスだけを探せばいい Outbound
Visual Script Demo Program. In this new year, we publish a program of Visual Script on our websites. You can download RPG demo and you can get RPG2 in new. As running the ESE file, you can see the materials in here are different from previous RPG2's program. And we launch the mod assembly machines. The cycle time is 4.3 seconds. Okay, let's see the new program of RPG2. This program, as we say, you can get from our websites www.cmschiao.com. There are several changed. The first one is I just told we have this area, and let's see where the program on our RPG2. Previous we have S1, S10, X100, S1000 written. This one just behind S1, S1000. Then we have these program. If in English, it should be data. and join more robot mode. Display the contents of the teaching up to here. This program to type these things out. And how about the background, the pink colors? The pink colors at the top together with the left and the right area. These two lights. This one for the left. This one. These two lights is here. So we are in the middle. Just these two instructions. This line and this line to display the button pink area. Is a Windows command. The second one is we in sync input we give the CSV file of the more assembly machine. And then in this lecture we on purpose launch the Visual Script, but not in CC file style. You can see load CSV script. The CC file in CMSCAPP can be output the format as CSV format. In CSV formats, we can see the script on ASCII. We can recognize the ASCII meaning, and also if we try to write down our scripts, our own scripts, we can edit by Excel as well. So that's the reason why we don't use CC file. The CC file is binary formats. We cannot see by eyes and understand what the meaning of the content. So we publish the CSV file of the scene and the source code of decoding and the data of some examples. Suppose the mechanism 2, mechanism 3, mechanism 4, mechanism 6, mechanism 13 in the data file of RPG demo. Today we publish mechanism 1 for automation factory. There are two important elements of CMSCAPP. One is CSV table of the scene. The second is the CSV or Visual Script, CSV or CC file of Visual Script. The CSV scene is static. It's a 3D model. But for the automation is what we want to teach the robot, the system, work, doing actions, doing job for us. The record of the action is a script itself. So we publish not only the example of the script, the CSV script. You can use this program to edit your own script. Of course, you can design your new mechanism doing your own jobs and writing down your specified script for work of automation. We not only publish the program, teach how to use the script, but also we publish the decoding of the script or the program. Let's show you. This is the program. We just demonstrate where is the background, where is the data written down, the program in here. And right now I want to show where to write the manual input of the Visual Script. In here, resource view, manual, you have to write this one, load CSV script, and give an ID 65423. And add this program just under resets, give a new place to write these characters, these instructions. You can see in here, use Windows API to open a CSV file. And the most important is this routine, load tcsv. This routine to decode the input CSV file and load into RPG2 program. Let's see, load tcsv. Just in front of frame, you can see load tcsv file, original source, the same as CMSCAPP. The script started with a K, suppose K20 for open PLC input or output, K21 shut PLC output, whatever. So KXZYUVWHT1T2. There is a structure of the script. Let's see the structure. Let's search TCH record to see the structure. Okay, here is a type of structure, name TCH defined, and the defined TCH REC with maximum GM. The loaded script just inside the TCH records array. The structure, the first integer k. The k could be 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, for the program control, similar like GM code, G0, G1, G2, G3. Not only this, also K12, end of line, K13, end of circle, K14, end of curve, spline. And we also has K20, open I/O, K21, shut I/O, K22, delay. And with flow, X, Y, Z, U, V, W for coordinate, and H and fit F, and T1, T2, T3 until T5 for the control parameter. So these structures is what we defined in the structure mechanism. And what is maxima GM? Is a number defined in front. The maxima GM is 40,000. The array we give open 40,000. Okay. So the script load and the display on here. The display we show, the load we show already. But most important is to run this script, and you can see on the screen like this. The cycle time about 4.3 seconds, very fast. Now let's talk about the run. You can see the run how to do in RPG2. The ID 49000. So go to the Winman and search 49000. When the number 4900 run, we give a mode, run mode. Since we are only one script, whenever the program is running, you cannot press the run again. So if run mode if equal to truth, then return. You will not run again. So the original run mode is false, so it won't be run return. And execute, continue. The first instructions let run mode equal to truth to prevent the second into the run mode. And if the teach loaded not 0 means something in the script array, and then not the forced to stop situation, then the program will execute to set the teach mode equal set the teach mode open, forced stop open. The most important is this line. We open the thread, create thread. The routine is teach status 1. It's a brand new thread. The position equivalent to RPG2. If you run and run until all the teach instructions finished, then stop and close the thread and go back to RPG2. So this one is most important. Let's see how teach status 1 works. The teach status 1, the program is at the end of RPG2. This is a style opened the threads coming from Jim Adams' example, and whoever get this program can follow this step to create their own threads. In here we give a runtime. The teach record supports 200 lines. Finished, then the program finished. If we want to let the program running and running, we have to give a run number. In RPG2, we give a run number 9999. That means as running 9999, the program will leave teach status 1. The thread will shut down. And the program can start, can allowed to start from the first lines. You can start from anywhere if you set begin teach by your program. If you not set the starting positions, the program defaults is start from 0 until number teach. Suppose the teach 200s, so the program of teach instructions running only 200s and finish the whole procedure. The first line, if you first to stop, then the program will jump to teach stop 1. Teach stop 1 is here. To let the teach more equal to 0, first stop 0, run more false, and active false, and exit threads, and a cross handle. In here you can see the K32 waiting. The program gives sleep 20 microseconds. You can see the K20 open I/O, and you can see K21 shut I/O. In RPG2, only for virtual machine. In the new year, we encourage whoever get the RPG2 can commence doing manufacturing the physical machine. These demonstrations for pure PLC machines. So you have to adopting a PLC with communication, and use Modbus to open and shut the input and output. You can see for open I/O, do open is open I/O output. Suppose for Y3, the I/O output 3, we open the relay 3. What it means to open the relay 3. The relay 3 is just like a switch. Switch on. Then the name on. Switch off. The light of the room off. The relay is not too much meaning at all. It's just a switch. Switch on, switch off. Dual shut is switch off. Dual on is switch on. Here you can see K22 is delay. In our system, 1 multiplied by 1000. The 1 second multiplied 1000. The sleep 1000 microsecond. Okay, you can see K26 for object move. After decoding, we know S, Y, Z, U, X to move the object's X distance in millimeter, Y to move the object in Y distance, in Y direction in millimeters. The Z move the objects in Z direction. How many millimeters? We give a variable PLC X move, PLC Y move, PLC Z move to pass this value to the main program. We'll show later how to use, how to late the object move, and we record the U, the object number, into an integer named PLC object, and also we give a modes PLC 26 1. 1 means open. The program decoding the teaching from 0 suppose 200 lines. After 1 line, then return and jump to IU plus 1, the next line. Suppose started from IU equal to 0. After 1 circle, to run IU equal to 1. If PLC 26 equal to 1, you can see the program lay sleep 5 seconds and go back to teach back 1 to here. The program running in here never moved down until the main program solving the object movements and resets PLC 26 off. Then the PLC 26 will never be 1 again. And at that moment, we'll go to these lights to record PLC object and PLC X move, Y move, Z move, and reset PLC 26 equal to 1. And let's see how the job done object move in PLC in the main program. In the main program, we show the object display already. The number display F is 0, so 4 in here started from 0. Number display R equal to number rooms. Now how many objects of the CSV table? Suppose in the more assembly this case, we have 25y, and for the gripper 4 more. So totally objects is 25 plus 4 is 29, less than 30 objects. So I started from 0, I less than 29, I plus plus. The translocate operation for robot, if we teach the robot to move, then the robot will never be set at the original positions. There is a translocate operations, matrix operations, and then after this, then render as the matrix new value. While in our mechanism 1, this is robot 2400 for mechanism 4. The robot 760 for mechanism 3. While in our these demonstrations, robot mode equal to 0 is for mechanism 1. The robot modes equal to 1 can shoot from mechanism 2 until mechanism 13. So we use robot mode equal to 0 to set this is to handling mechanism 1. Okay, we just demonstrate the PLC object, PLC object S, PLC Y move, PLC Z move. These 4 setting to decode K26, we get these 4 variable, and also we get PLC 26. Okay, you can see if the object I equal to PLC object, and also PLC 26 on, then we're doing the object move. Otherwise, if not the specified object, the program will never run into these instructions. And if PLC 6 finished, as this move finished, the PLC 26 will set 0. Set 0, this period of program will never enter again. Okay, let's see how to do the object move. The first will initial the matrix by using update type 0 and update the matrix, and update type 1 doing a translation, and the set mode move, the S move, Y move, Z move parameter write down, and update the matrix. At the last, update type 3 to out matrix for rendering, character object render. That's it. Okay, after these speakings, you can see the dynamic running. Since this is single control, so the control procedure is in sequence. That means doing finish this one and doing this one and doing this one. Only single control, single procedure. The cycle time 4.3 seconds. let's show how to run the program. We open the second RPG2. If you put the RPG2 execution file to pour it on the table, then you can press twice to open RPG2. And first of all, you have to adopting the CSV scene by using scene input. Scene input, in here we put RPG demo in D drive and in data file folder search Y, you can see a file of CSV file format is YF7 RPG2. This one you can get from the download RPG demo data file folder inside the data file folder. So you pick YF7 RPG2 and open this file. Soon you can see the 3D model in here. But how to turn from this view? Suppose this height, put the cursor at the left and the right top positions and keep pressing the middle wheel and move to this position and pull down to let the scene up and release the middle wheel. And suppose these points, to turn the middle wheel, not press it, then this point will not move. The screen will zoom in until all the movable piece can be seen. Suppose just like this. Okay, the scene demonstrate on the screen already. Then we have to adopting the script. Here is the new function, load scene CSV. Pick this one, and from the RPG demo data, the script all begin with a P. We only one control, so only P1. This one you can see from the download RPG demos data file folder. The name is RPG P1 RPG2. Pick this file and open it, and you can see in the data area all the data in here. Whenever there is data, then you can run. We give a run menu in here. You can press the run, and the teach file in the independent threads will work, and the output object number and the PLC X move, PLC Y move, PLC Z move will be adopted on the scene display. Just you see in here, and you can calculate the cycle time by using your cell phone. In this computer, take 4.3 seconds. If your computer is faster than mine, then you maybe get a more efficiency cycle time. Okay, this is the end of this lecture.
Mr. Wonder, make us